Hi, it's Miss Hunt and welcome back. We're going to go over days 4 and 5. If you looked at the last video, you'll know that we're working on week 2 and that was days 1 through 3, but unfortunately I ran out of time. So let's hop into days 4 and 5, okay? Just scrolling to get to day 4. Okay, so day 4, we're now going to be looking at 3D shapes. And again, we're going to be cutting and pasting and sorting the shapes by their face. Remember, their face is the flat surface of a 3D shape. My directions say either cut and paste or draw. It's up to you depending on your materials. So up here are the faces of each shape. So you have your circle, a square, a rectangle, or no face, because we know that some 3D shapes do not have any faces at all. So now we have our choices down here. We have a sphere, we have a cube, a prism, a cone, and then cylinder. So we're going to cut these out and paste them to the correct face. So I'm just going to use a cylinder, for example. Looking at a cylinder, what kind of face does the cylinder have? Does it have a circle face, a square face, a rectangle face, or does it have no face? Well, the flat surface of a cylinder is actually a circle. So that means I'm going to cut and paste it into the circle because that is the face that a cylinder has. It is a circle. Notice how the flat surface is actually a 2D shape. So the flat surface of a cylinder is a circle. And then you're going to continue to cut these out and glue them in the correct spots. And that is going to be what day 4 looks like. Now day 5. Hooray, hooray, hooray! You got to the last page of math. So we're going to be looking at day 5. Day 5 is real simple. It's kind of like a review of everything you've learned so far. So you're going to take everything you know about 2D shapes and take everything you know about 3D shapes, and you're going to answer some of these questions. So taking a look at number 1, how many faces does a cylinder have? Ooh, how convenient, because you just talked about the faces on the previous day. Well, I know it has a top and I know it has a bottom. 2 circles, so that means it has 2 faces. In this line, I would write 2. Then the next questions, you're going to answer those as well. So how many vertices